Daisy. Everybody! One more time. Happy birthday. Alright guys, one more time, make it louder. Hey! Happy birthday to you. Okay, so this time before mag-closing Era sa candle, kami yung dati make a wish for Era, say something to our birthday girl. Okay, first na tayo si Ma'am. Ano Ma'am? Secret na Ma'am. O dati ko, secret Ma'am. Kanami. Okay, so this time, Kuya. Ngayon ba kasi mga little sister.
Happy birthday.
Ayun, Kanami. Maliyaw natin niya. Okay, sige this time. Everybody come to 1, 2, 3, and Era, blow your candle. Together with the proud mommy and daddy. Ready? Go! 1! Dali lang wala pa. Dungan nun natin. Dungan kita tanan. Everybody! Kids and adults! Makang kita 1, 2, 3. Ready? Go!
1,